Good morning, students. I am Seema Rajput from Electrical Department, SIRT Bhopal. I will teach you the subject Control System AX405, and our today's topic is numericals on modeling of mechanical system. As I told you earlier, the modeling of mechanical systems. Now we have to discuss the numerical on that. So it's a question. Find the transfer function Ts equal to x1s by fs for the block diagram as shown below. Assume zero initial condition. So if we assume zero initial conditions, so first of all we have to draw the free body diagram of that particular mechanical system. So that is the diagram or representation of that mechanical system. Here it is two displacement, so we have to put the displacement here. So in that diagram, it is a representation of mechanical system. We have to use two displacement x1 and x2, and we have one force, two masses, two spring and three dampers. And damper is connected between one damper B3 is connected in between x1 and x2 displacement, and there are two separate dampers for x1 and x2. So we have to put the B1 damper, mass M1 and force in and spring K1 in the displacement x1, and put the mass M2, spring K2 and damper B2 in displacement x2, and the last damper B3 is connected between x1 and x2. So we have to write the equation of that particular representation. So writing the nodal equation for the above figure, we get force is applied in mass M1. So Ft equal to M1 d square x1 by dt square plus K1 x1 plus B1 dx1 by dt plus B3 in between x1 and x2. So that written as B3 dx1 minus x2 upon dt. And another equation is for x2 displacement. Here is no force, so force is 0 in that equation. So 0 equal to m2 d square x2 by dt square plus k2 x2 plus b2 dx2 by dt plus b3 dx2 minus x1 by dt. That is the equation of the displacement x1 and x2. Now applying Laplace transform to above equation we get, and in Laplace transform initial condition is 0. So Fs equal to s square m1 x1s plus k1 x1s plus b1s x1s plus b3 plus b3s x1s minus b3s x2s. So here we have to separate the x2 and x1. So in the x2 form, Fs equals to s square m2 here Fs is 0, Fs is not here in second equation, Fs is 0, and Fs is 0 equal to s square m2 x2s plus k2 x2s plus b2s x2s plus b3s x2s minus b3 as x1s. Okay, for this we have to written the matrix from as Fs and 0 and equation for x1. So what is the x1 constant terms? X1 constant terms are s square m1 plus b1s plus B3s plus K1, and x2 term is minus B3s, and another is minus B3s is x1 term, and x2 term is s square m2 plus b2s plus b3s plus k2, and x1s plus x2s. So by Cramer's rule we have x1 as equal to del 1 by del. So here del is what? Here del is fs m2 s square plus b2s plus b3s plus k2 upon the overall multiplication of that. So m1 s square plus b1s plus b3s plus k1 and m2 s square plus b2s plus b3s plus k2 minus b3 square s square. So ts equal to x1s by fs. So in that case ts equal to what? x1 is overall term. So we have to written this term in the form of x1s by fs. So that term is written as ts equal to x1s by fs equal to m2s square plus b2s plus b3s plus k2 upon m1s square plus b1s plus b3s plus k1 and m2s square plus b2s plus b3s plus k2 minus b3 square s square. That is the transfer function of x1s by fs. So you have to clear that is a mechanical system. Its representation is this, and we have to written, firstly we have to convert this representation in this FBD form, and then written the nodal equation, and then form the matrix and apply the Cramer's rule, and we have to find the transfer function of the equation. And another question is, consider mass spring dampers system given below. The equation of motion of mass m2 is, we have to written only the equation of mass m2. Here it is 2 masses, 2 forces, 2 springs, force and 2 dampers here. Okay, so we have to written the free body diagram of the given system is shown in figure. Okay, now simply we have to solve this free body diagram, and we have to written is for m2 only. Okay, so m2 is here, so 0 equal to, equation is for 0 equal to m2 d square x2 by dt square plus k x2 minus x1 plus k x2 and plus b dxt by dt, and solve this equation in this form. Okay, so that is the solution of modeling of this system. Okay, now in next class we will discuss the block diagram representation of the system. Okay, that thing is clear to all. Thank you so much. Thank you.